Hey guys, Carl's from the HID factory, and today I got this Ford F250. So what we did on this vehicle, went ahead and did the switchbacks at top, CREE LED low beam, and CREE fog lights. So if you don't know what our switchbacks are, we'll show you in this video. One cool thing about this video, we went ahead and left that side stock. So you can see the difference from where it comes out from the factory versus when we get our hands on it. So let me go ahead and get that turned on for you. Alright, there we go. Alright, so as you can see on your left-hand side, or I'm sorry, on your left-hand side, you got the OEM, you get the yellow amber bulb at the top, the yellow low beam, and the yellow fog light. Where with our kit, you get the white light for your turn signal, you get the white light for your low beam, and you get the white light for your fog light. So it gets everything matching, whereas that one's miscolored. You get a lot of the ugly yellow, a lot of less light. With our kit, you get a lot more light coming out and a lot more light on the road. So if you want to back up, I'll go ahead and show you what the turn signals would look like on either side. So as you can see with our switchbacks, when you do go to turn or when you have your hazard dome as shown, bulb goes from that white to an amber blinker. Once you've completed your turn or completed your emergency stop, the light once again goes to white. And all our kits come with a 2-year warranty, guys, and these are all plug and play. This is all LED stuff. So all you do is take out your old bulb, plug these in, and you're good to go. There's no extra wiring needed for those. And then one more thing I wanted to show you guys in the interior. We were able to upgrade that lighting too. As you can see up front, the map lights, we went ahead and switched those out to LED. And in the rear, we went ahead and left them the halogen. Let me show you those real quick. So you can see, it updates the look of the interior car as well as the exterior of the car. With the yellow ones, kind of looks less lighting, you're not going to be as bright. Again, when you go with LED, you get as much light as you can possibly. But yeah, guys, these are our services. If you want to check out, see what else we sell for your vehicle, you can find us online at thehidfactory.com. If you guys are looking for more tutorial videos or want to see different cars, different trucks made your vehicle specifically, we're also on YouTube. It's YouTube The HID Factory. And just like and subscribe to our videos, guys. We give out free stuff, we give out informative stuff. Anything new that comes out this year, we go ahead and pop it on the website. Thanks again, guys.